Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So over the last couple of months, as we have been talking about on the channel, Mozilla has been focusing a lot of their attention back onto the Firefox web browser, which they didn't do for quite some time. And over the last couple of months, they have rolled out some nice improvements, tweaks and adjustments into Firefox in the stable version. And I'll leave a playlist here in the end screen if you'd like to go check out more about the Firefox web browser and some of those new features and adjustments. Now, talking of updates to the browser, if we pop over to the nightly version, here we can see, as we have been mentioning on the channel, Mozilla is working on a couple of new features for the browser, and this is just some for the new tab page, as we have spoken about previously. But a recent significant update that they are now starting to try out in the nightly version, and by the way, the nightly version is very similar to Edge and Chrome Canary. It's an early preview version. They are now trying out some significant updates to the address bar. And according to Mozilla, there are three main areas they are focusing on when it comes to the changes they are making to the address bar. The first is improved search functionality, better navigation, and increased security. Now, the most notable change is if we head to the address bar to the left-hand side. Here you'll see what they're calling the new unified search button, which basically allows you to switch between search engines, as you can see, and search modes directly from the address bar. And you can also go directly to search settings, which I think is a nice move. So I think that's the most notable change to the address bar, is that unified search button there to the left-hand side. And over and above that, they've also introduced secondary action buttons to give you quick access to additional options for search results, such as switching tabs or performing browser actions without interrupting your workflow. So you can click on history and you've got some of your history. And if you go back, you can click on actions and you've got shortcuts to some actions that take you directly to those actions and those components in the browser, which I think is a nice move. And over and above that, there are also now search keywords, which give you a more so-called convenient way to access various search modes in the address bar by using descriptive keywords like at bookmarks, at tabs, and at history. So as an example, if I head to there and I just enter at, you can see here we've got at tabs, at history, at actions. So those are just little quick descriptive keywords that can take you to different things like bookmarks, your history, and your different actions and so on. And that's a very similar feature that's available in Chrome as another example. Now, the next one is a bit of a security improvement. And for this, I'm just going to use a screenshot from the announcement where the browser now displays the HTTP protocol for non-secure sites, which is this toggle here to the left of the new button, while hiding HTTPS, which is more secure, to reduce clutter, which I think is nice. So it's giving you less clutter. And it also reminds you when you are on a less secure connection, as we can see, not secure. So that's a bit of a security improvement and a visual tweak and adjustment for that, which I think is a nice move. So if these are features you would be using if they do roll out to the stable version, which I think they will, I don't see why they won't. I think they bring quite a bit of functionality and improvements to the address bar. Then this may be something that you could look out for in Firefox. And just another example where Mozilla, as mentioned, is refocusing their attention once again back onto the Firefox web browser. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.